5 more B2 First keyword transformations. Are you ready?
Oh yay.
My name is Toby, this is Smash English, and here are 5 keyword transformation exercises for the B2 First Cambridge exam.
Hello?
Hey, Bruce.
Who's this?
Yeah, it's Toby, your boss,
Oh,
you idiot.
okay.
Yeah, I'm running late. Can you organise the equipment for the video?
Yeah, sure, mate. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, don't mess this up. This is super important. This is going to be the best
Right.
video ever.
Oh, bloody hell.
Question 1. Bruce, can you organise the equipment in preparation for the video, please? Our keyword is up. Toby asked, the equipment for the video.
Here we have 2 things that we need to change. We must change the direct speech into reported speech using the reporting verb ask. And we must think of a phrasal verb that has the preposition up and means to prepare or organise something. Let's start with the reporting verb, ask. Well, who was Toby asking? Toby was asking Bruce. With ask, we need subject plus ask plus object pronoun plus to plus infinitive. So that gives us Toby asked Bruce to. We know that up is a preposition. Yes, and we know it is part of a phrasal verb. So we can put up before our object, the equipment. So then, can we think of a phrasal verb that means to prepare or organise? Toby asked Bruce to up the equipment. Set up. Yes, set up. Toby asked Bruce to set up the equipment for the video. Marvellous, that was so much fun. And what a great phrasal verb, set up. That is my favourite phrasal verb. But did you know that there are many more phrasal verbs with set that you need to know for the B2 First exam? And Smash English has a video about all of them right here. Every phrasal verb with set that you need to know for the B2 First Cambridge exam. Click it, watch it, subscribe, comment, tell me you love me, and then maybe I will start loving myself. Jesus, why am I doing this? What the hell do I pay them for? Jesus. Oh yeah, sorry Toby, I didn't manage to set up the equipment because Christ, I was really busy. Busy? Bruce, busy. I have set up all the equipment for the video. I have done a word transformation exercise for the audience who I love very, very much and who is going to subscribe. But you've done nothing. Oh, hi, Mr. Toby. I've made you a tea. I know you're so stressed these days, especially with Bruce around. Ugh, Bruce. Monica, there are hairs in the tea. Phew, God, Monica, your beard is out of control. What is wrong with you? It's not my beard. I don't have a beard. How could it be my beard if I don't have a beard? Monica, seriously, I think now is the time to shave because this is disgusting. Oh my God, do I really have to explain this right now? Toby, if I do not have a beard, then it is not my beard hair. Okay, I do not need this right now. God.
Question 2. It definitely wasn't Monica's beard hair in the tea. Our keyword is have. It's Monica's beard hair in the tea. She doesn't have a beard.
Here we are speculating about the past, and we are talking about something that we are sure did not happen. This means that we need to use past modals of deduction. Ooh, my favourite grammar. This means we must use a modal verb like must, might, could, may, can't and couldn't, plus have, plus the past participle to speculate about the past. Here we are talking about negative certainty. We are sure that something did not happen. We are sure that it was not Monica's beard hair in the tea. This means that we must use can't or couldn't. Remember, with past modals of deduction, we do not use mustn't. No, no, no! For negative certainty, we use can't or couldn't plus have plus the past participle. Our verb in our original sentence was. Was is the past simple form of be. After could or can't have, we need the past participle. The past participle of be is been, which gives us it can't or it couldn't have been Monica's beard hair in the tea. That's the answer. And as always, Smash English can help you with the grammar. We have a video. No, I do all the work. I have a video that I made for you about past modals of deduction. Right here. Yes. Bruce, seriously. Another beer.
Oh, Bruce, seriously? Another beer?
Question 3. Bruce is always drinking at work. It is so annoying. Our keyword is would. I drink at work.
What is the tone of the original sentence? What is the speaker doing? Well, the speaker is using the present continuous with the adverb of frequency always. If we do this, it means that we are complaining. If someone is always doing something, it really annoys us. So, we need to complain, and we need to complain with the modal verb would. Can you think of a way to do this? We can use I wish or if only. We know that we must use I wish here because we have the subject I, so we cannot say if only, obviously. To complain with I wish using would, we say I wish plus subject plus would plus infinitive. It's that easy. Wow. We already have our infinitive here. So this gives us I wish Bruce would drink at work. Finished. No, we are not finished because this changes the meaning. Bruce does drink at work. Bruce is always drinking at work, and this really annoys us. No, we are talking about an imaginary situation, a great imaginary world in our head. And in this imaginary world, Bruce does not drink at work. So we must use the negative form of would. I wish Bruce wouldn't drink at work. Now we are finished. And of course, if you want help with I wish and if only, there is a video right here. And if you want to know every single use of the modal verb would for the B2 First Cambridge exam, I also have a video about that in the description. So go into the description and click on the links. Click on all of the links. Have fun with the links. The links are there to be clicked. Bruce. Oh my God, Bruce, are you serious?
Excuse me. I have had a very stressful day. Thank you very much.
Bruce, again, apart from drinking, what exactly have you done today?
Well, firstly, I have...
Question 4. Bruce continued to drink until he vomited. Our keyword is so. Bruce, he vomited.
Here we still have our subject, Bruce. What did Bruce do? Well, Bruce drank. So let's put our verb there. Easy. Bruce drank. Past simple. Great. Bruce drank a lot. And we have the result. He vomited. So how can we use so to express that Bruce drank a lot and the result was that he vomited? We can use so with quantifiers, such as much, many, few, and little. We cannot use countable quantifiers with verbs. Bruce drank a lot, so Bruce drank so much, he vomited. Now we need to think about how we can link this action to the result. To connect this with the result, we can use the word that. Bruce drank so much that he vomited. And of course, if you want to learn more about the word so and how we use it and everything you need to know about so for the B21 Cambridge exam, I have a video about it right here. Click it, goodbye. Oh my god, I cannot believe I am doing this. Toby, why do I have to clean up this mess? Okay, I'm a beautiful 21st century woman. Okay, I should not be cleaning, you pig. Because, Monica, if I ask Bruce, he will refuse, and I'm the boss. Yeah, I'm the boss. The boss does not clean vomit from the floor. The boss makes money. $2 a day. But Toby, he's just gonna do it again. This is not fair. Do you know what isn't fair? Having a mouth full of beard hair. That's not fair either, Monica. Do I complain? Yeah, Monica, that was very rude of you, actually. You know what, Toby? I am done. Yeah? Clean it yourself, you stupid, dirty pig.
Question 5. Monica left to find a new job. Our keyword is order. Monica set, find a new job.
This one is harder. We need to find another way of saying left to. To here is part of an infinitive of purpose. Why did she leave? She left to find another job. We need another way of saying left to. We have the verb set again. This suggests that we need another phrasal verb. We need a phrasal verb that means to leave or start a journey. So can you think of any phrasal verbs with set that mean to leave or start a journey? Do you have any ideas? If you do, say them. No, don't say them because I cannot hear you. This is a video. What are you doing, you maniac? Instead, just think about it. Phrasal verb with set that means to leave or start a journey. I will tell you the answer in 3, 2, 1. Set off. Yes, set off. This gives us Monica set off. But why? Why did Monica set off? Well, she set off to find a new job. But we cannot say she set off to find a new job because we have our key word. And our key word is order. Can you think a way of expressing infinitives of purpose with the word order? I can, and I'm going to tell you. Monica set off in order to find a new job. That was exciting. I feel excited now. Do you feel excited? So excited that you're going to leave a comment and saying, Toby, you excite me. In order to is a linking expression, and I know you are saying now to your computer screen, because you are crazy, Toby, please tell us more linking expressions. Well, don't worry, because right here I have a video all about linking expressions, especially how they apply to your essays. Essays are important. We love essays, so let's get really good at writing them. Well, Toby, I think that video went quite well, don't you? Yes, Bruce, that went really well, didn't it? Yeah. With that, we are finished. That was 5 more keyword transformation exercises for the B21 Cambridge exam. If you liked the video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment down below. My name is Toby, and this was Smash English.